In this video, I'm challenging myself to build 5 different memes in Lego in only 12 hours.
Challenge accepted.
Why so short? Because memes are constantly getting outdated and replaced with new ones. And I'm scared that if I don't get this video out fast enough, I won't be relevant anymore. So let's build some memes. I started with an easy meme to build, Barbie versus Oppenheimer. I built Barbie with her colorful outfit, a pink skirt, and of course, blonde hair. Next, I built the Oppenheimer guy, with a suit and tie and that fedora hat thingy. Now, of course, these two movies are complete opposites, even though they release on the same day. So let's put Barbie and Oppenheimer in the ring to settle this.
Oppenheimer pulls out his starter weapon, an umbrella. Let's see what Barbie has up her sleeve.
I'm sure it's here somewhere.
And Barbie pulls out a pink umbrella. But wait, what's that? Oppenheimer has a... Wait, don't push that. You'll kill us all.
Wow, I guess Barbie takes a W for this one. Sorry about this monstrosity of a car. I have like 7.5 pink parts in my entire collection.
Liar!
Anyway, we gotta get to the next meme. This meme is one of my all-time favorite memes, skivity toilet. To build the skivity toilets, I put the wackiest, creepiest minifigure faces I could find inside these little toilet builds. For the cameramen, I ripped Oppenheimer's head off and built some little camera heads instead. One of them I gave headphones, which reminds me, I need to build the speaker man.
Nope.
Yes, sir.
After I built the characters, I built this epic battleground for the war between the skivity toilets and the cameramen. Oh no, the toilets have caught on. They're wearing headphones too. The speaker men are helpless. Wait, who is that? Well, that was dramatic. After these super violent memes, let's do something more peaceful. Let's build a nice underwater scene with some coral, seaweed, fish, and wreckage to explore. Then let's build a nice submarine for underwater adventures. I designed this submarine with an epic exploding play function that... Oh, wait. Well, at least Mr. Beast wasn't on that submarine. Wait, what's that? Okay, I literally have no clue what the deal is with Poland, but I think it has to do with Lil Yachty. I never thought I'd build Lil Yachty in Lego, but here we are.
I took the walk to Poland.
And that makes 4 memes. Only one more left, and it's the meme you've all been waiting for.
What's up, you guys? I'm here at McDonald's to try out the new Grimace shake. So let's try it. And happy birthday, Grimace. Oh hey, it's actually pretty good. Hello? Is anyone there?
Okay, I don't know why memes are always so violent, but that makes 5. I actually had a ton of fun building these, especially the skivity toilets. Let me know in the comments which meme was your favorite, and what meme I should build next. Also, if you want this super awesome official Lego Grimace piece, I'm picking one random person to send it to for free. All you have to do is go follow me on Instagram and comment "Happy Birthday, Grimace" on my last post. This piece is from 1999, so it's actually really cool. Anyway, see you guys later!